Find My is one of the most important features on your iPhone. It lets you locate a lost device, lock it remotely, and erase it if needed. Here's the complete setup and how to use every part of it. Make sure Find My is enabled. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap Find My. Tap Find My iPhone and make sure all three toggles are on. Find My iPhone itself, Find My Network, and Send Last Location. Offline finding lets your iPhone be detected even with no cellular or Wi-Fi by using Bluetooth signals from nearby Apple devices. Send Last Location sends your phone's position to Apple just before the battery dies, incredibly useful when the phone runs out of power. Now let's look at how to actually locate a device. If you lose your iPhone, open the Find My app on another Apple device, an iPad or Mac, and sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Devices and select your iPhone from the list. A map appears showing its last known location. If the phone is on and connected, the location updates in real time. If it's offline, you'll see its last known location with a timestamp. If you think the phone is nearby, in the house, in a bag, you can make it play a sound. In the Find My app, select your iPhone and tap Play Sound. Your phone plays a loud ping, even if it's on silent, for 2 minutes. This is the quickest way to find a phone that's somewhere nearby but you can't see it. If you think it might be lost or stolen, you can lock it remotely. Activate Lost Mode. Tap Mark as Lost in the Find My app. You set a passcode if one isn't already set. You can add a contact number that displays on the phone's lock screen, in case someone honest finds it. Lost Mode locks the device so nobody can access it, and it tracks the location continuously. You receive a notification if it moves. And in a worst-case scenario, you can erase the device entirely. Erase your iPhone remotely. If you're certain the phone is gone and you need to protect your data, tap Erase this device in Find My. This remotely wipes everything on the phone. Note that once erased, you can no longer track its location. So only do this as a last resort. Your data is safe in your iCloud backup if you had one. Enable Find My before you ever need it. It only takes 30 seconds and could save you a lot of trouble later. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.